What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice. I'm back, baby, once again with another lit video, man, for YouTube and all my viewers, man. What go down, baby? It's your boy J Spice. All my new subscribers, man, welcome in, man. Y'all know what go down over here, OGs. Y'all tell them, man. I done told you, man. Hey, let them people know, man, it goes down over here. It really do. No caps, no wolf tickets, baby. Hey, man, if y'all new to the channel, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell, make it turn gray so you won't never miss anything your boy got coming, because there's always some heat over here. It's always some education, and always some fabrication, and always some wheel turning action going on. So you don't want to miss it, man. If you like any of the content that you ever watch from your boy J Spice, man, or if you get any of the content that you're going to watch in the future, man, y'all just make sure y'all leave a thumbs up on the video. You know what I'm saying? And if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, leave it in the comment box below, because I talk back, baby. All right, y'all. Front yard game. It's another one. Let me show y'all which one we working on today, baby. Watch this heat. It's winter time in Texas. You see that old wolf hat? Yes, sir. Watch this heat. All right. Yes, sir. It's the 300 time now. Time to get on this 300. It's time to get this thing looking like a little something. Time to get it running. And I'm gonna tell y'all, man, this is a 2006 Chrysler 300 my boy had. Had it at a shop didn't want to fool with it, kept it sitting there. So my boy called me and said, man, he need me, man. So yeah, we went and picked that thing up, and it's a pretty decent car. You know, all the real car guys know you can't judge a book by its cover. Don't worry about how that car be looking, man. All of them, man, new school, old school, man. It's all about the motivation, and it's all about the action. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, what we got going on with this car, man, this car finna get a full bust down, full restoration, full rebuild, and a lot more extras and a lot more customization. It says the owner. I don't know. It's all up to the owner. But for now, what I've been paid to do, it's time to get started on what I've been paid to do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change this fender out. I got a brand new fender for that thing, man. I got brand new both sets of mirrors. I got a brand new bumper. Here's the bumper here. I got the rear bumper for it. We got oil for it. We're gonna do an oil change, spark plugs. We're gonna do the fans. We got to do front shocks. We got to do brakes. It's getting a paint job. It's getting music. It's getting starlights. Yeah, man, we're gonna go. He want a blue color on this thing. As you can see, I already started trying to fix a few of the little dings that's on it. I already done started on it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, he wanted to put Lambo doors on it. We're gonna bring this thing back, basically. We're gonna bring this thing back. But I got a few parts up in here now, man. As y'all can tell if the camera focus. Got a bunch of new stuff in here. Tail lights, fuel pump, mirrors. See what I'm saying? Got brand new mirrors in there. All that, man. We're gonna be we also gonna be deleting all this chrome crap over here. I don't like that chrome crap. We don't rock like that. We're gonna do color, baby. We're gonna color. We're gonna do color. We're gonna pull all that chrome off around the wheel wells. You know, and this side pretty decent. This side pretty decent. The back's pretty decent. I got the new bumper, so we're good on that. And yeah, man, if y'all really OG, y'all seen me do that black Chrysler 300. It was real bad. It had bullet holes in it. I did a lot to that car in about 15 days, and I painted it and everything. Blacked out all the emblems, everything, man, and it came out very nice. So when he seen that 300, he called me and said he wanted me to do his, man. So that's what we're gonna do. I got everything for this car besides the door, because I haven't been able to find a door at a reasonable price besides the junkyard, and the junkyard is at least an hour and a half away from me either way I go, in either direction. So, you know, I'm gonna have to take a special day out to get that door for it, but we gonna get it, baby. Watch this heat. Oh yeah, man, we finna get started. I'm finna start breaking some stuff down. I gotta line this bumper up. We're gonna do some things today. I don't know how much we're gonna get done today, but we're gonna do some work on it. And y'all just watch this heat. Mopar gang. It's for all my Mopar people, baby. Yes, sir, we got another one. Yeah, he gonna put wheels on this thing too. He said he ain't coming to get it too. It's painted, wheels, music, all that. Lambo doors, all that. So yeah, y'all watch this heat. All right, gang. Got that thing almost broke loose. right, we got a boat up in there. Let me get that boat out, y'all. All right, gang. Took me about 15-20 minutes. I don't think I had trouble with this. And Chrysler 300 got a boat on the inside, and you got a slot right there. See, that's the slot, and that's your boat right there, right before you get to the curb. All it is a 1/2 inch, and I got that thing down. Yes, sir. Excuse me, gang. So now we're gonna go with that brand new thing. I'm gonna wipe that thing off. I'm gonna get that thing installed. Bring y'all right back. Watch this heat. I don't know what he got this wire for. I don't know what that wire for. I don't know what that wire go to, but it ain't going to the light, so. Oh yes, it was. I guess he had an LED light for the tail light. So I'm gonna have to fix that too, so yeah. Watch this heat. It's going down. Finna wake this 300 up. Don't sleep on it yet now. Don't sleep on it yet now. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. I got that bump on there. Nothing to that. I gotta finish. I gotta put a little bit more bolts in it and tighten it up. But right now, it's all right because I gotta paint it and I'm gonna pull the lights back out. But I got it on there and I got it lined up pretty good. And yeah, I just went ahead and removed that old busted hit tail light on the right side and installed that new gent. Yeah, sir, boy, got that new one. Now what I'm about to do, I got brand new trunk shocks for it and hood shocks. As you can see, the trunk shocks, that's not gonna just fall down. So I'm gonna put brand new shocks on that thing, and then we come around the the hood. We ain't got no shocks on it. Got it propped up with a stick. You know what I'm talking about? We gotta do this right and get this right. So I put the shocks on that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm working, baby. It don't take no time. It just takes some love and some effort. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line this front bumper up too. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Watch this heat. I'm making progress, baby. Don't leave that 300 out. Don't sleep on that 300 now. Watch this heat. All right, took me about 10 minutes. I got the new joints off, new joints on, and the old ones off. Check these things out. One thing was busted up. I'm talking about busted up. So it made a hell of a difference in just even. Look at that. See, now the trunk retracts back up. Instead of falling down and breaking your wrist or hitting you in the head, your trunk goes back up like factory. So yeah, y'all, two rear shocks for the trunk, and I got 2 front shocks for the hood, and it made a hell of a difference, man. Brand new shocks, baby, installed and working good. We got them old things off of there, and all you gotta do, man, these shocks pretty easy. You see a little clip right there. All you gotta do is get you a little screwdriver or some needle nose pliers, put in that little clip, pop that clip off, and they bust right off that bar right there. Pretty simple. 1, 2, 3. I think a 3rd grader can do this, or any woman. So y'all boys should be able to handle that. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep on moving. We got the bump on, we got the tail light on, we got the trunk shocks on. So yeah, let's move to the front. Keep this thing pushing. Watch this heat. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I got the front shock on, and the front shock is pretty simple. They didn't have none on the front, so it's pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? But it's a little different than the back, than the trunk. So you see how right here, and we ain't got now right there. You got them 2 bars right there, them 2 pivot on. So you got your top, which is this side, and it's adjustable too. So you know what I'm saying? You can adjust it out if you want the hood to go up more, or you can adjust it in. You know, I just rather have it cinched all the way tight up like that. But this side here has a little clip on it. See what I'm saying? So with the clip, you close it once you get it on the bar, and to get it on the clip, all you do is pull that back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Like that right there. For all y'all Mopar boys. Slap that song on right there. Just like that, upside down. You're gonna pull a little pressure. See it pop on there. And then what you wanna do is, if you can see, You want to push this little clip down. See how that clip just slide in there just like that? Boom. Slap that clip down. Then you want to come up and push the hood up just a tad bit. Boom. And that thing pop up in there. All right. Now what we want to do next, we want to move all this crap that we don't need no more. And we want to check out that hood. You see the hood staying up by itself now. That's what you want, baby. That's what you want. No stick. Ooh, look at that. Ah, watch this. Watch this. That's how the hood supposed to stay up, baby. Watch this heat. All right, I also bought reservoir cap for it too, because he lost his reservoir cap. I got a lot of stuff coming for this car, man. I'm telling y'all, watch this heat. Stay tuned, baby. All right. I got the reservoir cap, brand new. I don't play no games. I get my people right. We ain't playing no game with no old stuff. We going all brand new everything. It's finna be 2024. We ain't got no time for that. We ain't got no time for none of that. We leaving all that old stuff in the past, and we going everything new. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, we. Now my boy ain't had one of these because I guess the shop lost his stuff. They did them wrong, and I'm here to get them right. Cause that's what I do. No wolf tickets, no game, no skits, no gimmicks. Yes sir. Brand new cap. That thing gonna seal up good and tight, good and nice, and it look good. Let's see what it feel like. Ooh, 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 she's so tight. So now all I gotta do is fill that thing full of fluid once I get this thing running, and she good. Boom. And another one down. We making headway, baby. We making headway. All right, what I'm gonna do next? I don't know if I want to start pulling the mirrors off the fender or the front bumper. I don't know what I want to do. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll make up my mind in just a sec. I'll bring y'all back real quick like. Woo! All right, y'all, I'm back with a quick little update on that 300. It's looking better. I've been working this morning, man. About 12, 1 o'clock, something like that. I ain't checked my phone, but just had some company and stuff stop by, customers and stuff, so they stopped me for a little while. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got done on the Chrysler 300 so far for the day, baby. I'm talking about this thing look better already, and I ain't even through with it, man. Just watch this heat. All right, boom. Now you can already see a difference. You can already see a difference now. You can already see a difference. I'm gonna show y'all what I got done. All right, now you know I put the rear bump on it. Like I said, put some more screws up under there. I'm gonna tighten it up and close that gap up pretty good. Okay, bumper look good. I went ahead on and put the license plate on it. I don't know why, I'm gonna have to take it back off if the car get painted. If the car get painted, I don't know. But I put the new mirror on it. Like I said, we got all new mirrors. You see that? She look good. Brand new. That sun look good. And this what it had on it. Y'all tell me if it was a big change. You know what I'm saying? This what it had on it. You know what I'm saying? With a bunch of self-taps in it. Screwed on there. That to that. You know what I'm talking about? Hey man, self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. You can't even see the holes that they put in there. You know what I'm saying? From where they put these 4 bolts in it. I thought you was gonna be able to see them holes, but you can't see them. And that chrome so ugly, I told them we need to go back with all black. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's gonna get color match painted, but not no chrome. And speaking of chrome, I did start pulling the door handle chrome off. I told them we need to delete all the chrome off this thing, man. All the chrome, we need to delete it and color match it, you know what I'm saying? So I took the chrome off the door handles right here. You can see how that chrome was on them door handles, and I popped this one off. This one here. You see that was like that. That's ugly, man. Get that off of there. And I gotta get this one off, but I don't wanna break the window. Then I'm gonna take this door off, and that mirror, got another mirror for this side. But yeah, man, look at the difference between the door handles and that compared to that. Don't the car look just so much more cleaner without all that extra chrome, that added aftermarket bullcrap chrome? This crap right here. I mean, look, man. Look at that. Look at that. That is not cute at all. Well, yeah, I pulled them off. I got them sitting over here all broke up. I got the fender on. I got the fender lined up pretty good. Here's the old fender. That's the old fender. All banged up and beat up and dented up and crushed in and crushed out. You know what I'm talking about? Man, hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on over here, man. We got the shocks on there. You know what I'm saying? We got the reservoir cap on there, and I started trying to line up this front bumper. I put 2 self taps in it just to get it where I think it need to be. And I came over here and this one wasn't even bolted up, so I bolted that one up. I gotta come back and put another one up here close in the corner and secure that. But I pretty much got the gaps almost where they supposed to be. If you look at the gap on this side, I got that fender pretty straight, man. I mean the gap, you see the gap over here? Okay. And the gap over here, and the hood is not even all the way closed. Pretty close, man. I might need to scoop that out just a tad bit, bend it out, but other than that, it's looking good, man. Yeah, man. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a couple more different things to this car today. I don't know, 1 or 2 more things, and I'm gonna call it a wrap. It's starting to get a little late. I got some other stuff to do, but yeah, we're gonna get these rest of this chrome taken off this thing here, and yeah, man, it's going down. It's going down. It's on him though. We're gonna see what's going down next. But I'm about through putting all the parts on. You know what I'm saying? Got a few more things to put on it, and she gonna be about ready. I need to get this thing crunked and running. I haven't been able to figure that out. Because somebody wired it up. Had some key problems or something, and somebody wired it up to where the ignition is on that red and green wire, and you have to touch them up under the dashboard, up under the steering column. So I bought him a brand new key. We got to get that program. Dang, now the door don't want to open. Man, yeah. But anyway, I bought him a brand new key. This how it look on the inside. Not too bad. It's a little crusted up, broke up there, but I'm gonna fix all that. Y'all don't worry about it, baby. I'm gonna fix all this. See if I can get the door open. Oh, the door had locked. Okay, boom. Okay, so here we go, y'all. Quick little look at the 300. I don't hear nobody comments about this man car. Quit judging people's cars. Real enthusiasts, real men that love cars. Don't judge somebody else's car, man. Just let them be who they gonna be. Because the man, if he didn't want to fix all this, he wouldn't have it sitting in my house. So I'm gonna be fixing all this crap that you see up under there. I'm gonna be getting rid of this wire that's up under there. Like I said, he had the door zip tied to the seat belt. I cut that off and kind of fixed the door to where it'll close by itself. And yeah, man, he got a brand new key in here somewhere. Here go. I got him a brand new key. It got to be programmed because his key is broke. See what I'm saying? And you got to do that to put the key in, but it's a piece to stay in there all the time. So yeah, I got him a new key. Gonna have to call the key guy and get it programmed. But yeah, it's going down. Got the bottom piece right here, so it's all good. He wants starlights in the headliner. Got to get it detailed, new carpet, all the pieces that's broke. He want a double den. We're gonna get him a double den. Put him 215s or 412s in this thing. A new carpet, like I said. Fix all that up under there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be able to do everything but the seat. You gotta take it to the interior shop to get the seat done. But yeah, man, it's the 300 project. Y'all stay tuned. It's going down. I ain't playing no game. Watch this heat. Watch this heat. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm talking about click that notification bell, make it turn gray, man. You don't want to miss none of this good content I got coming, baby. It's going down. I ain't lying. Leave a comment down below if you got any question, comments, or opinion, because it goes down over here front yard game, baby. Yes, sir. 300. We're going to turn this thing into something. We're going to turn this thing into something like Big Chris say. Watch this heat. Watch this heat.